High in the Himalaya, life moves with the mountains. Morning light touches stone and snow. Another day begins. She gathers wood, carrying warmth into her home. With calm hands, she milks the yak, a bond of trust and need. Tea in hand, she pauses. The mountains listen. The soil is hard, but she works it patiently. Together they work, laughter easing the weight. As evening falls, tradition simmers quietly. She cooks by firelight, simple food, deep care. They share a meal, and the day slows. Night arrives, and she carries light into the dark. The house rests beneath the mountains. Another day complete. This is Sherpa life. Quiet, strong, enduring.